$250,000 is the point at which the fear of what if goes away. You're starting to sleep well. James Capital. Why everything changes. After you hit $250,000 invested. Picture this. You're 32 to 38. Your salary is good, but you still feel like a hired worker. Debts cleared, emergency fund in place. But every month you still think, what if I get laid off tomorrow? What if illness? What if crisis? Now imagine the same life, but with $250,000 invested. Same income, same apartment, same habits. But inside, something breaks. The fear of what if disappears. You start sleeping peacefully. You stop tolerating toxic bosses. You say no to projects you used to take out of fear. For the first time, you feel, I can leave at any moment. This is not fantasy. This is the inflection point everyone hits when they reach $250,000 invested. After it, life really divides into before and after. Today, I'll explain why exactly $250,000 is that amount after which psychology, finances, and freedom change forever. Not $100,000, not $500,000, exactly $250,000. My name is James. I've seen it dozens of times. People with $80,000 to $150,000 are still stressed. Those who cross $250,000 are already different people. Calm, confident, free. Let's go. Numbers, psychology, real examples only. No fluff. 1. $250,000 is the point of psychological freedom. When you have $50,000 to $100,000, you still think, this is little. This is not protection. The brain sees this amount as not yet capital. You fear losing your job, fear crisis, fear saying no to your boss. When you reach $250,000, the brain switches. This is no longer savings. This is capital. This is, I can live 3 to 5 years without income if I sell part of assets or withdraw 4%. Real calculation, 2026. $250,000 times 4% equals $10,000 per year safely. $833 per month. In most countries, this covers basic expenses. Food, housing, transport. You realize, even if everything collapses, I'll survive. This is psychological freedom. You're no longer a slave to your paycheck. You can take risks, speak truth, leave toxic places. 2. $250,000 is the point of financial mass. Until $250,000, every dollar you add is a drop. You add $500 a month. In a year, $6,000. The brain says, this is peanuts. After $250,000, compound interest starts working on another level. $250,000 at 8 to 10% annual return gives $20,000 to $25,000 per year passively. This is already real money. Example. Guy at 34 reached $250,000. Kept adding $1,000 per month. In 5 years at 9%, $450,000. In 10 years, $800,000 plus. In 15 years, $1,400,000 plus. $250,000 is the point where capital starts working noticeably for itself. Before it, you work for capital. After it, capital works for you. 3. $250,000 is the point where you stop fearing the market. Until $250,000, people panic during drops. Oh no, down 20%, need to sell. They sell at the bottom, lock in loss, then buy at the top. After $250,000, fear disappears. You already know. This is temporary. I have a buffer. You hold stocks during drops, buy on dips. You start earning on volatility instead of fearing it. 4. $250,000 is the point where your relationship with money changes. Until $250,000, you think, Need to save. After $250,000, you think. Need to earn and invest more. You stop counting every penny on coffee. You start counting how every dollar can bring 10 more cents per year. This is a huge psychological shift. Real stories of people who passed $250,000. Story 1. Girl 29 years old. Before $250,000, lived in fear. Counted every dollar. Feared saying no to boss. After $250,000, quit in 4 months, started online business. Now 34, passive income $8,000 per month. Story 2. Guy 37 years old. Reached $260,000. Told boss, I'm leaving in a month. Boss raised salary 40%. He stayed, but now works on his terms. Story 3. Family with 2 kids. $250,000 at 38. Stopped fearing what if. Bought house without mortgage. Wife went on permanent maternity leave. How to reach $250,000 faster. Invest 20 to 30% of income every month. Don't touch capital during market drops. Increase income. Career plus side business. Live below your income level. Lifestyle inflation is the main enemy. Use tax advantages. 401k IRA HSA. Bottom line, $250,000 is not just a number. It's the point after which fear disappears. Capital starts working for itself. You stop fearing the market. Your relationship with money changes. Life divides into before and after. Most people never reach this point. You can be not most people. Start today. Calculate how much you have left until $250,000. Calculate how much you invest per month. Increase that amount by at least 10% this month. If this breakdown was useful, drop a comment. I currently have dollars invested. Goal, $250,000 by Carth. Year. Thanks, that was a kick. And if you want a full calculation of how much to invest monthly to reach $250,000 in 5 to 10 years, subscribe and DM me. See you in the next one.